OnePlus is back, and this time it's not just another flagship. It's the OnePlus 15R, a performance based that set to a shake up the mid-range and gaming performance market. So first thing first, the performance. The OnePlus 15R is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, and this makes it the first globally launched smartphone to carry this monster chipset. Whether you love gaming, heavy multitasking, or long session of content creation, this phone can handle it all effortless. So let's talk about the display. The 15R comes with a massive 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel paired with a 165Hz refresh rate. Whether you are scrolling, gaming, or binge watching, this screen is going to feel incredible and immersive. And for gamers, high refresh rate is going to be a game changer. Battery life is another highlight. We are expecting a huge 8000 mAh battery combined that with 100 watt wired fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. On the camera front, OnePlus is keeping things simple yet powerful. A dual real setup with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor with OIS and a 8 megapixel ultrawide lens. Durability is another area where the 15R stand out. For the first time in the R series, we are getting a compressive dust and water protection, IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K rating. Design-wise, OnePlus is going premium with a flex edge aluminum frame and a glass back. It looks sleek, is solid, and run OxygenOS based on an Android 16. Storage and memory options are also impressive. Up to 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more quick tech update.